Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iOS 17 pet feature not working issue. So guys, with iOS 17, the iOS 17 has released many new features like standby mode and many more. One of the features is pet feature. So guys, this if you are not able to use this feature and it's giving an issue and you're looking for a fix, so you're in the right video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix this bad feature not working issue. So guys, first is first. First of all you have to do is restart your device. Sometimes simple issues can be resolved by restarting your device. Turn off your iPhone by going to your settings, open your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Ensure that your iOS version is up to date. Apple regularly release updates that may include bug fixes. So you have to go to your software update to check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After this, and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is disable your or then you have to do is check your restriction. You have to go to your focus, go to content and privacy, and you have enabled the content and privacy restriction option. You have to do is make sure that disable it. After this and you're still facing the issue again and again, then you have to do is reset your mobile settings or iPhone settings. So guys, to do this you have to open your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then be sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.